In this video, I will demonstrate attaching a VMware ESXi 6.5 host to a storage center array with iSCSI using the software iSCSI initiator. To attach an iSCSI host to a storage center, it is recommended to use a Dell customized ISO for VMware. Click on the Summary tab, then review the image profile. If you plan on using the iSCSI software initiator, check to see if the server has an iSCSI offload NIC in it. Click on the Configure tab, then Storage Adapters. Locate iSCSI HBAs. In this case, we have the embedded QLogic 10 gig adapters in the PowerEdge server. We will need to disable the iSCSI driver. If you don't have hardware iSCSI initiators, you can skip this part. First, enable SSH by clicking on Security Profile. Scroll down to Services, click Edit, highlight SSH, and click Start. Then OK. Connect to your ESXi host using an SSH client, such as PuTTY. Log in as root. Type ESXCFG-module space -D BNX2I. Enter maintenance mode and reboot. After the reboot, exit maintenance mode. Verify the iSCSI HBA is no longer listed in storage adapters. Click on Physical Adapters and locate the NICs. To ensure we correctly identify which NIC, we have disabled the ports on the switch. I will enable the port connected to fault domain 1 and then rescan the adapter. We can see VM NIC 0 came online at 10 gig. We then repeat for the NIC connected to fault domain 2. Click on VM kernel adapters, then the add icon. Click Next. Select New Standard Switch and then Next. Click the plus icon, locate the VM NIC for fault domain 1, highlight it and click OK. Click Next. Update the network label and click Next. Select Use Static IPv4 Settings, enter the settings and click Next. Be sure the IP addresses match the subnet for fault domain 1. Click Finish. Repeat for the other iSCSI adapter for fault domain 2. Click on Storage Adapters. Click on the plus icon. Select Software iSCSI Adapter. Click OK. Scroll down to the iSCSI software adapter, highlight the VM HBA, then click on Targets. Highlight Dynamic Discovery and click Add. Enter the iSCSI target IP address for fault domain 1 and then OK. Repeat for fault domain 2. Launch the Dell Storage Manager client. Log into the storage center that the ESX host will be connecting to. On the Storage tab, right-click the servers and choose Create Server from VMware vSphere or vCenter. Review the prerequisites and click Next. Provide the credentials for the ESX host that will be connecting to the storage center and click Next. Both fault domains should be reachable. If not, troubleshoot before continuing. Click Next to continue. You should receive the Host Setup Successful screen. You can use the Copy to Clipboard feature to save the best practices. Click on Launch Wizard to create volume for this host, then click Finish. Update the volume name and click Next. Update the capacity and click Next. Make any modifications necessary for the storage options and click Next. Adjust the snapshot profiles for the volume and click Next. Click Next to map the volume to the server. Click Finish. To view mappings, click on Mappings. If you click on Servers, then this server, you can see the connections as well. To use the newly created volume, open the vSphere web client and click on Data Stores. Click on the plus icon, choose VMSS and click Next. Provide a name and select the compellent iSCSI disk. Select the version and click Next. Make any adjustments and click Next. Click Finish.